guys, welcome back to my video, and it's me. And yeah, today in our today's video, it will be squishies. So I have watched a lot of YouTubes lately, and I saw like a lot of people have made paper squishies, and I thought worth a try. So yeah, I'm gonna show you all my squishies, and yeah, today just me, and I'm gonna show you all of them, but they are all just mini squishies. If you go search in YouTube, their one is bigger than mine, but I like small squishies, so let's get started. So in this chair here, there's squishies. And there's some tape never closed properly, and it broken a little bit, not very much. So first, I'm dying to show you is this thing. I make this 3D. It's soda, blue can soda. Ooh, I like to squish it a lot. And so this is our first one. And our second one is these M&M, my sister's favorite. And yeah, it's green and blue M&M. And I also will show you the ingredients you will need to make this. It's not that hard, just putting the tape. So this is the second one. And the third one is this. There's a diamond at the front, and the rest is green. Third one, and this is the fourth one, full of tapes, and the tape is coming out everywhere. Okay. We have a heart with cute eyes and mouth. I want to give you an heart. Oh my god. Let's squish it. And the fifth one is Takis. My mom doesn't know what Taki is. And yeah, I just make this myself. I don't know my spelling, is it correct? But I do like it. Okay, so at the front, and this is at the back. The back is white. And there's a barcode here. Okay, let's squish. Ooh, I like it. And the 1, 2, 3. Let's see how much we have already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is a 6th one. It's a kitty. And this is the 7. It's a cloak. And the second and the last one is the very tiniest one, and not too much stuffing in it. Mentos. Okay, so that is all of my squishies. And okay, so the ingredients you will need is 1 paper, scissor, tape, and cotton, and some coloring marker or pencils. And if you like this, please comment, like, and share, and subscribe. And yeah, that's just all. And all my squishy want to say bye to you when I'm gonna end this video. Wait a minute, let me grab all my squishies. Bye!